That movie was great. We should see it again later.
I agree, Tom Cruise was badass in the movie. So, let's go home and...
No!
The wind blew us away like it was nothing. Why would a wind be that super windy? Blowing us away like rag dolls.
I don't get it. Atlanta seems nice, with no strong winds, and it's super windy. It's supposed to be a regular day, with no bad weather.
Let's just head home before we get swept away again. This is a great series. Seeing Pikachu giant like that is insane. It's the first
It's
time
called a
this
Dynamax
Pokemon
band.
turned giant in
I
a
noticed while you
Pokemon
were
battle.
battling yesterday that you weren't. That means it can use an electric type move called G-Max Full Trap.
It's called Gigantamax. Like when you see an old episode of Pokemon in Season 1, Ash and his friends would crash landed in an island with giant Pokemon after they were washed away by a wild Gyarados.
Which makes me happy.
Was actually an amusement park owned by Team Rocket's boss. Wow, these people in Pokemon didn't realize they were in the amusement park with giant Pokemon. It's not their fault for landing on the amusement park with robot giant Pokemon. This episode was aired in the 90s. Hey guys.
One more time, you sucker punch!
After we finished the movie, a strong wind blew us away and crash landed in the ocean. It blew us away like it was nothing.
If the wind is super windy, maybe you should stay indoors until the wind calms down a little. Guess you're right. Anyway, we are gonna take a shower from being in the ocean. The weather should be nice today. It didn't say nothing about storm high winds. Perhaps people on the Weather Channel change the weather. I mean, they're not wizards or witches. The U.S. National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration changes the weather. A lot of people know this.
Now this is a nice weather. The sun is shining, birds are chirping, and even the wind is breezy.
What?
Holy shit. Nobody said anything about ice strong winds. What is going on with the weather? Now this is not my day. I'm not gonna be blown away again. Now to head home before this mess happens again. Come on, are you kidding me? You. Now this is disgusting. Like I said, this is not my day. I need a shower before I start doing something else. Much better. But I'm not going outside again. Not until the strong winds stop blowing. This is worse than a lightning bolt. Be careful, guys! Don't let the strong winds blow us away! This is a very terrible weather we have today.
I agree with you. If it happens, I'll just use my powers to send us back to the ground.
Yeah, strong winds are no joke. It's not like a movie from Wizard of Oz when Dorothy and her dog Toto were caught in a tornado in Kansas.
And that movie is super old. Some of the people died while playing the Wizard of Oz movie, and that's very sad.
Also, that guy that played the lion was actually made from an actual lion, height and weight about 90 pounds. Even the guy played Tin Man was poisoned by the makeup, which was made of pure aluminum dust. I feel sorry for those people. They shouldn't have gone through that.
But some Wizard of Oz actors died a long time ago after they finished the film. Anyway, let's have a spar with each other.
Hell yeah! I'm ready for some action! We are not Team Rocket, but we're blowing away!
This is not the type of weather that we were expecting.
That was close. We almost got crashed into something hard.
Just be lucky that Silver saved us from the horrible high winds. You don't even want to know if we're blown into something dangerous or very deadly.
Yep. Anyway, I'm ordering some Subway sandwiches for dinner. Anyone want anything?
Since I'm taking a break from eating chili dogs, I might as well eat something healthy. I'll have a buffalo chicken sandwich with a bottle of water, and also some baked cookies.
Bring me an Italian sandwich with no tomatoes and pickles. Ask them with ham, cheese, lettuce with some mayonnaise. And I'll have a bottle of Sprite with Lay's classic chips.
Okay. I'll order your sandwiches online. It should be ready for a couple of minutes.
Are you getting a sub to Silver?
I'll just get me a chicken and bacon ranch sandwich with a bottle of Pepsi. And also Doritos nacho cheese flavor.
3, 2, 1, go!
I am totally kicking your ass, Decon.
No way. It's kicking Bowser and shoot this Mario. Mario will beat you in a 3-minute battle.
Mario is stronger than Bowser. So the Red Plumber should beat the King Koopa. Besides, Mario first met Bowser in 1985 in the old Super Mario game.
That was a very long time ago since they met. Bowser always conquered the Mushroom Kingdom and kidnapping Princess Peach, and Mario had to save her from Bowser every time. Like you, it doesn't matter how many times you keep kidnapping Peach, you're still losing. Mario always beats you all the time. I can see why Bowser is short-tempered and using the Red Plumber. You'll never learn.
All those will never learn. Hey, after we finish, how about we head to 7-Eleven?
Sure. I know the Slam Big anyway. So who's your favorite Mario character? I put Shadow Mario and Luigi.
HMN, Princess Daisy and Toad. They're great characters from Nintendo. I wonder if people are gonna make another Mario game.
Super Mario 3D World and Bowser's Fury is the last Mario game. There's a whole bunch of Mario games throughout the years. People aren't gonna make more Mario games. A lot of people love Super Mario, and a lot of fans think another Mario game is coming. Well, let's head to 7-Eleven. It's time for a snack break. Let's pay for these and head home.
Yeah, it's almost getting dark.
It's not too dark. It's dawn outside. We can just teleport. Wait, we can't do that. Only Shadow, Jeffrey and Venom. We never learned how to use teleport.
We can just walk home instead of doing teleportation.
Good idea.
Wait a damn minute. Who said there's gonna be a high strong winds today?
Weather didn't say anything about this. We crash in the DC universe.
Let's try and head home. This ain't our world.
Intruders. Titans go.
Do it, Cyborg.
Yeah.
No, wait. We came here by... Remind me if there's another high wind. We'll stay indoors until the weather calms down.
Agreed. Let's head inside.
Hell yeah! I'm totally kicking Growler's ass! But this is a hard battle, so even boss battles can be tough, just like a lot of games. I need a bathroom break. I'll pause the game. I need some fresh air for a few minutes, and I'll get back to the game. Such a beautiful night. Full moon, crickets making noise, even city lights lighting. I guess this world ain't so bad after all.
Hell no!
No way! I'm not gonna be blown away by stupid islands! Do these strong winds can blow away the ultimate life form? Well, it won't happen. I didn't expect high winds to come today. Hopefully the weather will be normal tomorrow morning. You noticed high winds too? Yeah, I almost got blown away by it.
Luckily I teleported back before it gets worse.
Well, I'm off to bed. Good night.
Good night. Well, back to my game.